hot dudes drink Americanos.
I drink Americanos then.
There we go. All right, so an Americano is just espresso with water. You know why it's called an Americano? Probably not. The story goes, so during World War II, when Americans were in Italy they only drink espresso. But it was too strong for the American troops that were over there, so they would water it down. But yeah, that's the story behind Americano. Hello world, today we're here with Ian Fon. Your full name is Fonz? Just that's it? Or?
My actual last name is Fonville, but yeah, I go by Fonzian.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so he goes by Fonzian online, which I think Fonzian sounds cool as fuck. He's also just a dope human being, which is why I have him here today, because I saw him, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago on TikTok. Just has a really, really cool story. Wanted to bring him here, teach him how to make some coffee, have a conversation. So yeah, do you drink coffee a lot?
I don't drink coffee at all. I'm more a tea guy. Iced vanilla chai on the rocks, baby.
I mean, it's hard to go wrong with that. But today we're gonna cook up some coffee. We have this espresso machine here. You never used one before?
Nah.
All right, today we're gonna make a French vanilla iced Americano. So French vanilla is just hazelnut and vanilla syrup mixed together.
I didn't even know that.
Take this here, this is called a portafilter. Literally just put it in here into the grinder, just push it back till you hear one click, and it's gonna give you the correct amount of espresso in there, so you don't have to do anything else. You put that side down and kind of give it a twist, and then push it down on top. Now the espresso's ready.
Ooh.
Damn, bro. Strong as fuck. And you just ran here?
Yeah.
How far did you run?
3.5 real quick.
3.5, quick 3. Now he's here.
I gotta run back.
And run back. We'll get you caffeinated and send you on your way then.
Yeah, the whole run I was like, man, this coffee's about to hit.
You can grab some ice out of there. So like I said, we're doing French vanilla. Just eyeball just like a splash of each one.
I like it sweet.
Fill it to that bottom ridge with water, and then you can just dump the espresso right on top. Final step, grab some of that creamer. This shit is the bomb from this company called Super Coffee, and put as much as you want. Hell yeah. That's it.
Solid.
All right, how hard was that to make?
Easy.
Easy?
10 out of 10.
10 out of, it was 10 out of 10 hard to make?
10 out of 10 easy.
All right. All right, let's do a little taste test, see what you think. Cheers, bro.
Cheers. I never had Americano in my life, I feel.
Really? Popped your Americano cherry.
Cheers.
All right, bro. Well, dude, whole reason I brought you here because I want to talk to you, get to know you a little bit. Let's do it.
Let's do it.